Hello, and this is a video on how to create field experiences using Passport. First, you need to go to this URL, ull.pass-port.org. Once there, you need to log in. Once you've logged in, you will be brought to the home screen. For your class, you will need to create 3 different field experiences. So first you will need to click on the Artifacts tab, click on Field Experience, wait patiently, then under Open Field Experiences, click Initiate New Field Experience. Select Template A, Field Experience Template. You'll see that you have 3 choices. Template A, Template B is no student contact, which means that you did not see nor interact with students, and then Template C is reserved for student teaching. The remainder of these templates are reserved for EDFL 106. So for this course, your 2 choices are Field Experience Template or Field Experience Template No Student Contact. Again, if you saw students, if you observed in a classroom or a setting where there was students, you'll need to select Template A. You need to name the field experience according to your professor. Sometimes the naming convention is located in your syllabus or by emailing or asking your professor. Hit select. You'll need to select a date for your field experience. If there were several days combined, just select the date of your last observation and select the course. In this case, this is for Edci 349. And select. And then the type of observation. It's either a level 1 observation one-on-one or a level 2 small group whole class. In this case, we observed a whole class, so we'll select level 2. Then choose the site where you did the observation. It is a pretty extensive list. But if for some reason the school that you observed at is not located there, just hit O and select Other. Leave the site blank and hit Select. Choose a contact for this field experience. If no contact is listed, I suggest you use the name of the teacher that you observed. Now you're into the field experience template, and you will need to click the purple Edit Basic Info First button. Number of participants. You need to total up the total number of participants you observed during the field experience and put that number here. In this case, 20. You need to select the number of hours for this field experience. Again, you'll need to refer to your handout or to your professor to know exactly how many hours for each field experience required for the course. In this case, I'm going to put 15 hours. And then anything that is optional, you do not need to put information there. Once you hit save, you will get a little warning box reminding you that whatever number you chose for the total number of participants, that number needs to be equal when you do your gender and your ethnicity. So make sure you remember the total number of participants, in this case 20. Now you have your basic info. You can review the name of the field experience, the template, the date, the level, what course it's for, who is your site contact, and what site you did the field experience. If any of this information is incorrect, you can always hit Edit Basic Info and go back and correct any of the information. Now, every field that says required, you are required to go in and edit that information. So, gender composition. Remember, whatever number we've selected, gender needs to total that. So in this case, we selected 20. We'll say 15 girls and 5 boys. Subjects by hour. In this case, we've spent all 15 hours in math because this is a math course. Ethnicity composition. What is the ethnicity of the students observed? Remember, it must total back to your total number of participants. So in this case, I saw 10 black, 5 Hispanic, and 5 white. Primary subject. Again, this is math methods, so you'll select math. And then limited English proficient. Were any of the students English was their second language? If the answer is no or none, then you must put 0. Then you're going to hit complete field experience. And then it's bring you back to the field experience bin, and it puts your field experience in descending order, so all new field experiences are at the bottom of completed field experiences. So if we scroll down, we'll see the one that we just created. Now for EDCI 359, you'll need to do this 2 more times. You'll need to create 2 more artifacts for the teacher interviews. Once you have all 3 artifacts complete, you're ready to submit them to your professor. The way you submit them is in a working folio. So click Folios and click next to Working Portfolios, click Create Folio. And we're going to name this folio EDCI 349 and hit Create. And then it'll bring you back to the folio homepage, and you should see EDCI 349 and click it. Next, you'll need to add a tab, and we're going to call this tab FEX and hit Save. Then you'll need to add another tab. The second tab you're going to name Reports and hit Save. Now you'll click on FEX tab, and you're going to add artifact from bin, and you're going to go find that field experience that you just created for your observation. Select the box and click Add to Tab. Now click number 2, and you're going to need to add the 2 report field experiences that you created. So click Add Artifact from Bin. They were field experiences, and go find the 2 field experiences that correspond to your reports. And you can bring them both in at the same time by selecting the box and clicking Add to Tab. Now, check to make sure that you have a field experience under the Field Experience tab and 2 reports under the Reports tab. Once you have that, Field Experience, 2 reports, click Cover, and you are ready to request evaluation. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Select the faculty, in this case, Tacky. The course, EDCI 349. And now the evaluation is in progress. Thank you.